Hey guys, this is Shiro from Contemfort, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install a WordPress into your local system on your computer. So at first open up your browser and open up this links, and these links will be described down below, so you can get them from the descriptions or you can note it down from here. So at first you need to download the XAMPP server and install it on your machine or Windows machine, or whatever platform you're using. You can find out every version of it, Linux, Windows, and macOS as well. If you don't know how to install this XAMPP server on your computer, so you can, especially on Windows, and the process will be same on the other platforms as well. So open up this blog, and here you can find it out how to install this thing and make your computer into a local host to practice WordPress or any type of other services like run PHP or other things, HTML, as you want, whatever you want. So you can find out the full tutorial here in this blog spot. So after downloading it, install it. If you don't know how to install, you can read out this blog and then go for this website wordpress.org. Download this from here. This is the first step we have done right now. Now we have to grab the downloaded file that we download from the wordpress.org, and we need to extract it. Okay, we got this file, and let's have a look into it. We got some files here. This is important, and do not mess with them right now. Now we need to open up the XAMPP control panel. Then we just need to start this Apache and MySQL. So when they will sign as green, you'll understand that this one is working right now. So you can cross it now. Open up your browser and just type localhost. And it will, let's hover on the phpMyAdmin and click it. Then you need to create a database. So click the new. And it's taking a bit of time. Yep. Now we need to enter a database name, like I love myself. So I'm going to copy it, create it. Make sure to select this that database that we just created, and then go for the privileges and add user account, and let's add the same thing, just the localhost, password the same I wanted, but do not use the same things, it will be a security risk. So then go for the global privileges, check all, and click the go button. So yeah, voila, you're done. Now go for the second step. We need to open up our computer in Windows 10 C drive, and go for the find out the XAMPP folder, and inside the XAMPP folder you'll find out the htdocs. Here we just need to create a folder that we want to make, like I want WordPress tutorial, done. And inside this folder we need to let's paste it here right now and open up that extract folder that we extract previously, select all of them. I'm going to cut them and paste into this new folder. Fine. We don't need this folder right now. So there you go. It's done. So what I have to do is now I need this one. I love myself. So we don't need this phpMyAdmin. Let's go for the localhost, and I love, sorry, folder we just created, WordPress tutorial. So here you can see that we got a panel here. Select your language and click continue. Go for the let's go button, and it will ask you to enter the database that you created for it. So I'm going to use this I love myself, and I'm going to use the same thing that I created here, and here it is. So yeah, now quickly run the installation. Now it will ask you to enter the site title. What is WordPress website? Use the admin and password as admin, but do not use this thing as it's really vulnerable. And confirm the password. Then I'm going to use XAMPP and install WordPress. So it's taking a bit. Now click the login. I'm going to enter right now. Admin. Here we go. After logging in, we should see our dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Yeah, here it is, WordPress dashboard. We got it, and I hope you guys has no doubt how to install a WordPress onto your local host using XAMPP and practice the WordPress website designing. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and keep watching us. Like our videos and subscribe our channel and share our website and channel. Thank you. Goodbye.